What's going on, guys? It's Wednesday morning. Taking a look here at MOSY. This thing, it's up to that $2 area. We'll see if this can get above $2 here. Big seller there at $1.99 right now. See if that $1.99 area is going to get broken out. Somebody asking, will Bitcoin Cash go up again? I don't know the future, that's for sure. But I don't know. Bitcoin Cash is a weird one. There's a lot of weird stuff going on with Bitcoin Cash. Not too sure how to play Bitcoin Cash, to be honest with you there. But MOSY this morning, taking a look here. MOSY yesterday making some big moves there at open. And then another stock we're taking a look at today is SureTrader. It's selling off. One of the reasons I was looking at this earlier, you can see it got up there, that 895 area, kind of double top, that resistance there, 895, not getting over that $9 area. It pulled back, and one of the reasons I didn't want to buy in on this dip is because it kind of broke down the trend there. I'll be in Brazil. My flight's at like 4 or 5. I think it's like 4:30 this afternoon. So I thought I would stream one more time this morning. Why not? You know. I almost didn't, but then I was like, I might as well. So I ended up streaming this morning. Bitcoin Cash was a pump. I have to agree with you there. I will have to agree with you that Bitcoin Cash was definitely a massive pump and dump there. So MOSY, SureTrader this morning, moving around. Anything else you guys are looking at? Take a look. Let me know what stocks are hot today. So MOSY, I was trying to get in on this dip here. There, that 186 area. I was thinking about getting in there, but I might just wait till open. Wait to see if open we get a nice pullback there, and then look for a rip at open. Yesterday, kind of had a similar move. Pre-market ran up big, and then at open, kind of pulled back, and then made a big move up to that $2 area. Pulled back, kind of not doing much the rest of the day. Kind of getting stuck in that channel there, 145. $2 area, but you can see pre-market now making a move higher there. So we'll keep an eye on it. Keep an eye here on MOSY and get over that $2 area. It might get a nice little run there. SureTrader, like I said, kind of pulling back here. It gapped up after hours yesterday, gapping up there after hours, getting up to that $9 area, and just not pulling back from there. Well, pulling back from there. So getting up to that $9 area and then pulling back from there. So SureTrader, definitely keep a lookout on this one. Volume, looking better. 550,000 shares traded, so getting a little bit better volume there. We'll see what happens here. SureTrader, MOSY, pulling back there. Somebody called out Square. Square's up there to that $41 area. Pre-market, got 500,000 shares traded. A bit of a bounce here. Somebody else calling out ACOR. Let's check it out. ACOR. So ACOR gapping down big time there. Down 38%. Down to the $17 area. Gapping down from 28. Look at that. Ooh, crash and burn there on ACOR. Not sure if I want to short it right here, right now, but it does look pretty good here. The only problem is once this does open up, it's going to gonna have a short sale restriction there. So ACOR, I'll keep an eye on it. I'll keep an eye on it at open there if it really wants to start selling off there. The only issue now is that it's going to be a short sale restriction there. See if it gets back up to that $18 area before open here. Nope. Did not short ROKU yesterday. No shares to short on SureTrader, so no opportunity to short it yesterday. You can see had a big sell-off there. ROKU right there at open. Spiked up big and then just sold off the rest of the day from that $48 area down there to $38. So nice drop there on ROKU. No shares to short there. If you had shares of short, you're a lucky guy. Not in Brazil just yet. People asking about Brazil. Sorry, I'm actually flying to Brazil today. So my flight is around 4 o'clock Eastern. So got a little bit of time. Gonna be trading here the first 30 minutes, make a little bit of money, and see what happens from there. What do you want me to say about CREG? Let me say something about it. CREG going lower. This one making some big moves the last couple days, but then now just selling lower, selling lower. If you're still holding this one, I have a feeling some people asking about CREG. The reason they're asking about it is because it's selling off and they're probably holding it for a while. So I would be careful here. CREG could easily just go back to wherever it came from. I haven't looked at this thing back down to the $1 area. You can see this is massive pump here, massive pump there on CREG. I would not be holding this one long term. That's for sure. Definitely keeping an eye here on MOSY. See if this MOSY can get over this $2 area here at open. Make a little run up to that. Make a little run. Make a little run. Make a little money. We'll see. Have a look at DS. Okay, why not? I'll look at it. Drive Shack. Will Zamp is off. Is never allowed to ask about a stock again. I see Acor. Good thing I didn't jump in there. I was thinking about jumping in there on Acor at that 1725 area, but stayed away from it. There it is, back up there to $18. Look at that. There's the squeeze. The squeeze is real, Hulk. The squeeze, that's a Hulk squeeze. Hulk squeeze. I mean, definitely something there. So MOSY, holding that 190 area. We'll see if it has the power to go higher from there. But overall, nothing looking too amazing this morning. Nothing that I'm like, wow, this is going to be an amazing trade on this stock. This is going to be one of those amazing days. But we'll see. We never know. You never know what happens at open. I've seen stocks don't do anything. There's been stocks that don't move at all pre-market, and then right there at open, they just go crazy. So it really just depends. You can't write off the day just by pre-market. OSN. What's OSN doing? Nothing right now. Yesterday, OSN making a big move there. Gapped up out of nowhere. Getting halted. Ding, ding, ding. So Acor getting up to that $18 area, pulling back now. We'll see what happens there. That open. MARK, I think yesterday MARK made a bit of a move there. End of day, MARK from that 420 area up there to $5. This morning, not doing much. Kind of just sitting there at the $5 area. 475 right now, 465 on the bid. Not getting above that $5 area, so having some trouble there. We'll see what happens here at open. So MARK yesterday making a big move there, like I said. But we'll see. Have I ever had a problem withdrawing money from SureTrader? Nope, no problem. All right, so yeah, I mean there's. I wish I, you know, there's those days, those mornings where I wish I had better answers for you guys. I wish I had all the answers in the world here, but you can see some days it's just slow. It's just slow. I feel like we've gotten spoiled the last couple of weeks because the market has been so crazy. But their ACOR back up to the 1850 area now. Nice little pop off the bottom there at the $17 area. This thing's down big right now. It's down 34%. Up there to 1845. Good times. Good times. Nice. Nice little wrap in the morning. So MOSY pulling back here. Like I said, going to be keeping an eye on this one. MOSY there at open yesterday, kind of pulled back there at open and then made like a 40-50 cent jump there. So definitely going to keep an eye on there. Keep an eye there on MOSY there at open. See which way this wants to go. It's up 32% right now pre-market. So we'll see if it still has the power to go higher. SORL, it gapped up. It's up 42% after hours yesterday. And then this morning up to that $9 area. Same thing. Kind of keep an eye on this one there at open. See if we can get above that $9 area, SORL. If I'm looking here at MOSY, definitely not shorting it. I don't have any shares to short anyway. So MOSY, I'd be looking to get in there above that $2 area if it really wants to get crazy. But you got to make sure that you're not just going to be buying the top there. Obviously, we have that last resistance there at 204. But I think if we get above $2 there at open, if we have the value, if we have the volume, if we have the power, definitely going to be looking for that move above that $2 area. Get a nice 10, 20 cent, 30, 40 cent jump there on MOSY at open if it gets above that $2 area. ACOR getting up to that $19 area now. Looking nice little pop there. Congratulations if you got long there. We were talking about this one about 5 minutes ago when it was at the $17 area. Now it's up there to $18.45. I was really close to shorting ACOR. I'm happy that I didn't. I'm really happy that I did not do that, because that would not been good. Not been good at all. Just keep looking here, looking at what stocks are moving around. SQ, it's up 2.7% this morning, up there to the $41 area. Square, somebody said that, talking about Square is going to start dealing with Bitcoin. I guess that's the news right now there. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here at open. It's 9:10. We got about 20 minutes till market open. I'm going to finish up packing, get ready for the market open here at 9:30. I will talk to you guys later on. If you guys haven't already, help me out. Hit that subscribe button, and we can get some ideas going here. I'm definitely keeping an eye there on MOSY. I'm keeping an eye on SORL, and I'll keep an eye there on ACOR. See what happens here. Maybe this wants to kind of fill a gap here. Somebody died. There's bad news. The stock's down big. It's down 34%, but that doesn't mean that it can't squeeze, get back above this $20 area. Who knows? We'll see what happens here on ACOR. Am I trading from Brazil? I'm going to try to not trade from Brazil, but there's probably a good chance that I will trade while I'm in Brazil. But I would like to just relax while I'm in Brazil and relax. I got some videos that I've already made that are ready to be posted. So don't worry, I won't be gone for a week. You'll be able to hear my voice every couple days. How do you get the stock ticker on the chart? Oh man, Brutus, come on now. SPI, before I go, SPI up 16%. It pulled up there it got up there to the 160 area, pulled back $1.30 area. Only 155,000 shares traded. Definitely not a lot of volume there. You want to see a lot more volume there. We'll see what happens here at open, but like I said, need that volume to fill in there. You can see when there's no volume, this is what happens. You can get that pop up there at 106. You can get the pop to $1.60. If there's no volume there, boom, just crashes. Look at the volume, you know, on this 1 minute candle there. We got 8,000 shares traded, 4,000 shares traded, 1,300 shares traded, and just boom, crashes right back down. So you got to be careful. Make sure the volume is there. Don't go chasing these stocks that have no volume. I always talk about how important it is for volume. And look for the volume. Look for the volume. Talk to you guys